motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. Alright, this video, we back on the fleets. Got the Ford Transit Connect. This is the XLT 2012. We doing the water pump on it today. Already did a bunch of repairs, changed the thermostat, lower radiator hose, spark plugs, all that. All of those videos are on my channel, matter of fact, so you can go back and check those out. All right, so we're gonna knock this water pump out. We gotta get the motor mount off, get this reservoir out the way, and raise the engine up, you know, support the engine. And yeah, we're gonna get this belt off. Let's get it, man. We got it jacked up. Jack stand. We want to drain this coolant. We have a drain plug right here. Should open this up. Coolant should come out and drain. And what you can do is open the radiator cap. Once you open the cap, that's what happens. More come out. Alright, while we let that drain, go ahead and get over here. Got this, you see the water pump pulley is right here. Got 3 bolts on it. Now you can get this. I want to see if I can get it from the bottom without taking out the motor mount, because I can reach it from right here. But I see. But I do want to take off this pulley while I can, while I'm up under here, because I can reach it. And take the bolts out first. To break these bolts, you want to keep this belt on, because the pulley will spin. So you want to do it that way. Let me show you this. So what I did do, I put a little pry bar up in here to hold. I wanted to hold that pulley still because it was still kind of spinning because the bolts are so tight. So once I did that, broke them free. Now I can get them loose. Got a 14 millimeter. Push back on it. Release the tension. Get that last bolt out. Pulley off. I don't know why I think I can just get it from right here instead of taking out the motor mount and all of that. Let me see what I can do. Alright, man, I don't know about everybody else, but I think I'm getting it out from the bottom, and it's a lot easier than the top. And I got all the bolts out. All 3 of them bolts with the 8 mil will do the trick.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I had to spray a little PP blast on it. This thing was all up in here tight. But I did knock it out. I knocked it out from the top. Just was banging on it. Look how rough it looked. Broke it. Broke this little chip, this off. It's in. Got it out though. Yes, sir. Gotta clean that surface up real good, man, before I stick that in there. There we go. Want to get this gasket here. Put the new gasket on. I'm gonna put like a little oil, just lube it, so it won't be dry going on with that gasket. All right, we going back in. Got it lube. Let's get it. All right, we got it set in position. Gonna go ahead and get those bolts in there, finger tight. All right, we back in there. All right, we got our pulley on. All right, we got that belt back on. And the cover back on. All right, we want to make sure we close off that radiator drain port. All right, we're going to top it off next. Leave the air out the system. Want to make sure you got the right coolant. It's that orange type. Let's see, we got Ford 2011, 19. This is a 2012. All right, turn that heat on for a blast. Let it run. Drive it around. Coolant level should drop. Add more as needed. And once you get heat going, then you know you have your coolant system is working properly. You want heat. No heat, it's not bled properly. So that's gonna be it, y'all. Till next video. Pull up, King.